XIAMEN BESTYN Company is specialized in researching, manufacturing, and supplying HVAC spare parts. Our goal is to provide one-stop solution for all kind of spare parts for air conditioners, refrigerators, ventilation system, as well as washing machine spare parts, vacuum cleaner spare parts, and so on. With our strong sourcing ability, now we can provide the products including insulated copper pipe, copper tube, copper fittings, brass fittings, filter dryers, AC compressors, refrigerator compressors, capacitors, fan motors, condensers, refrigerant gas, different kinds of valves, gas separators, oil separators, defrost timers, thermostats, manifold sets and accessories, air conditioner brackets, remote control, contactors, relays, HVAC tool, and so on. Our factory adopt the advanced international technology, modern management, and strict quality control system. The products has got some testing reports. In order to make sure our clients will receive qualified products, all of our products are strictly tested and inspected before shipments. Meanwhile, we provide best after-sales services for all of the goods we sold. We can provide OEM and ODM services. We always regard superior quality and best after-services as our long-term pursuit. Clients' requirement and satisfaction is our company goal. With our good quality, competitive prices, and strong sourcing ability, we have established stable and long-term cooperation with our clients from all over the world. Please contact us freely for further information. Welcome to Inquire Us. Bestyn Company is always with you.